Hey everyone, welcome back to the Vibrant Health Project. Building an attractive, healthy physique is a two-sided coin. You've got your workouts, which are super important for building muscle, boosting your metabolism, and torching those calories. But the other side, the side that often gets neglected, is nutrition. What you put into your body directly affects what you get out of your workouts. The right foods can amplify those results. We're diving deep into the world of food, covering 7 of the best foods to transform your body composition. Let's get started. First up on our list of physique-boosting foods is salmon. This fish is not just delicious but also incredibly nutritious. It's a staple in many healthy diets around the world, and for good reason. It's practically a superhero when it comes to building a better body. With its rich nutrient profile, salmon can help you achieve your fitness goals faster and more efficiently. Salmon is loaded with high-quality protein essential for muscle repair and growth. Each serving provides a significant amount of protein, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to build or maintain muscle mass. But it's the omega-3 fatty acids that really set salmon apart. These healthy fats are crucial for overall health, supporting everything from brain function to heart health. Omega-3s reduce inflammation, leading to faster recovery from workouts. This means less soreness and more effective training sessions, helping you stay on track with your fitness routine. A study found that supplementing with omega-3s can boost muscle protein synthesis. This is particularly beneficial for athletes and those engaged in regular physical activity. Aim for 2 servings a week to make a real difference. Consistent consumption of salmon can lead to noticeable improvements in your overall health and fitness levels. Stick to grilling or baking to keep those healthy fats intact. These cooking methods preserve the nutritional integrity of the fish, ensuring you get the maximum benefits. Avoid adding unnecessary calories from oils. Frying can introduce unhealthy fats and diminish the health benefits of salmon, so opt for healthier cooking techniques. Next up, we've got Greek yogurt. This versatile food is not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious, making it a staple in many athletes' diets. This creamy delight is packed with protein, crucial for muscle repair and growth. Each serving can contain up to 20 grams of protein, which is significantly higher than regular yogurt. This makes it an excellent choice for those looking to build muscle mass. Greek yogurt is also a fantastic source of calcium, essential for strong bones. Calcium plays a vital role in muscle function and nerve signaling, making it indispensable for athletes. It's also a natural source of probiotics, beneficial bacteria that play a vital role in digestion. These probiotics help maintain a healthy gut flora, which is crucial for overall health. A healthy gut means better nutrient absorption, enhancing muscle gain and fat loss. Probiotics can also boost your immune system, helping you stay healthy and active. A study found that probiotics in yogurt can enhance protein absorption and improve metabolic health. This means that not only are you getting more protein, but your body is also using it more efficiently. Add some berries and a drizzle of honey for a delicious and nutritious breakfast. The natural sweetness of the honey and the antioxidants in the berries make it a perfect start to your day. Enjoy it as a post-workout snack to kickstart your recovery. The high protein content helps repair muscles, while the probiotics aid in digestion, making it an all-around powerhouse for your fitness goals. Let's move on to another favorite: eggs. Eggs are nutritional powerhouses loaded with essential amino acids. They're incredibly satiating, keeping you full and satisfied longer. A study found that people who ate egg-based breakfasts felt more satisfied and consumed fewer calories throughout the day. Boil, scramble, poach, or fry them in a healthy oil. Aim for 2 eggs a day to keep energy levels stable and provide a steady stream of protein. Let's talk about quinoa, a superfood enjoyed for centuries. Quinoa is a complete protein source containing all 9 essential amino acids. It's a fantastic source of fiber, essential for digestive health. Fiber plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels. Complex carbohydrates like quinoa provide sustained energy throughout the day. Studies show quinoa's high fiber and nutrient content support muscle growth and fat loss. Use it as a base for salads, a side dish, or in breakfast bowls. It's incredibly versatile. When it comes to snacks, you can't go wrong with almonds. Packed with protein, healthy fats, and fiber, they keep cravings at bay. The healthy fats in almonds help you feel more satisfied and reduce overall calorie intake. Almonds are a good source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant. Vitamin E helps neutralize free radicals, reducing inflammation and supporting faster recovery. Enjoy almonds as a snack to keep your energy levels stable. Let's talk about spinach, a leafy green superfood. Spinach is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Its iron content is essential for transporting oxygen to your muscles. A steady supply of oxygen allows muscles to perform at their best. Spinach is also a good source of magnesium, crucial for muscle function and recovery. Magnesium helps regulate muscle contractions and relax muscles after exercise. Spinach contains nitrates, which improve blood flow. Incorporate spinach into your diet for better muscle function. Finally, let's talk about lean chicken breast. It's an incredibly lean source of protein, low in fat and calories. Chicken breast provides the optimal protein-to-calorie ratio for muscle growth and fat loss. It's incredibly versatile. Grill, bake, sauté, or shred it. Aim for cooking methods that retain moisture, like baking or grilling. Marinate in herbs, spices, or citrus juices for added flavor. Incorporate chicken breast into your diet for effective muscle gain. That's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed watching and found the content both informative and inspiring. I hope you found it helpful and learned some new tips to upgrade your nutrition game. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more you know about what you eat, the better choices you can make. Remember, building an attractive physique isn't just about gym time, it's also about what you're fueling your body with. A balanced diet is crucial for achieving your fitness goals and maintaining overall health. By incorporating these 7 nutrient-rich foods into your diet, you'll be well on your way to building a healthier, more vibrant you. These foods are not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients that your body needs. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Your support helps us create more content like this and reach more people who can benefit from these tips. Share this video with friends and family on their fitness journeys. Together, we can build a community of health-conscious individuals who support and motivate each other. Until next time, stay healthy, stay vibrant. Keep pushing towards your goals and remember, every small step counts towards a healthier you.